What's happening, everybody? It's Chad Henry for you here at Holiday Motors in Portsmouth, Virginia. Today we've got this awesome 2015 Chevrolet Suburban LT that we just picked up. Clean Carfax, good service history, and some nice custom touches to it. I love the hashtag stripes that they've put on the hood here. Not something that I've seen before, and once I got it in person, I just fell in love with it. I absolutely love the look of this truck. Those stripes, the wheels, they've blacked out the bow tie in the front of it, and if those hashtags look familiar, it's largely to do with the Grand Sport. Wouldn't those look great in the driveway next to one another? Just a really nice truck, beautiful, beautiful white paint, no dents, no scratches, very, very well kept up and taken care of. Backup proximity sensors. It does, of course, have the backup camera in it. Super clean interior. Of course, all your normal power options plus the power folding mirrors, your memory driver's seat, power seat with lumbar, and these seats, as you can see, are in really good shape. Very, very well taken care of vehicle. Power sunroof, and then of course it has both dual monitors, so you have your I can't reach it from here. Dual TVs, one for the middle row and then one back there for the back row as well. The center console, this is a charging station that you can put your telephone on and charge up. Heated seats, dual climate control, touch screen, Bluetooth, power tilt and telescopic wheel, adjustable pedals. 2015 with 85,546 miles on it. Nice big screen, backup camera and all. And you've got your plug-ins and USBs. More USBs and auxiliary inputs here. Great big console. Satellite radio, OnStar. Of course, the Bose stereo system from the factory sounds great. Remote start. And this one has, as you can see, the bench seat in the middle of it rather than the captain's chairs. So you can seat 8 people in here comfortably. Third row seat, of course. The middle row is also heated as well. And then you've got the power lift gate. Tons of cargo space, even with that third row up and available, as you can see here. And then, really cool feature about these newer models, you've got the power folding seats. And it also releases the middle row. Check that out. So if you've ever got that much cargo and not all the people, then you can just hit these buttons and rock and roll. So lots of great features, really pretty truck, great looking, and it's different. It's not like everyone else's, and it's, you know, it stands out just right. The thing looks perfect. Look at it with that Corvette sitting in the background. That's awesome. You can see it online at www.holidaymotors.com. In person at 3203 Victor Boulevard in Portsmouth, Virginia. Been right here since 1974. And you can call or text us directly at 757-487-7333. Tons of great financing, warranty included. You know, we can help arrange with shipping and delivery. So call us and tell us how we can earn your business. We appreciate you watching and look forward to hearing from you.